Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a cookie banner to your Wix website. So let's get started. So in order to add that, you should be able to head over to your Wix dashboard. Now from in there, just scroll down until you reach settings. Now under the settings right here, you will be able to see a lot of settings. It totally depends on what kind of website you're running. So for this, I am running a store, so I can just scroll down. And then you can see in here the privacy and cookies. Now, when you click on that, it will redirect you to this one. We have here the privacy tools. And in here, you can use this tool to help your site comply with data regulations. So you can display a cookie consent banner. So let's click on get started on there. And then in here, just click on this right here that also enable that. And then this will be able to ask users if they want to allow certain cookies on their website. So we can change the banner color theme. It can be light or dark. So for me, I'll just choose this dark. And then in here, this is what it looks like, the dark thing right here. And then in here, you have the consent button text, which is the accept. And in here, you can also have this settings button text, which is the settings, as well as the privacy link text. So you can also add a decline all button if you want, and you can also add a cookie setting widget to all your pages. So in here, you just need to put in here what your cookies will represent. So this one, I have put it in default that we use cookies on the rest of us, how you interact with it by accepting or agree to use of such cookies. Now, when you scroll down, you'll be able to see in here the privacy policy. And under that, you should be able to see where your privacy policy is displayed. And you can use external web address or page on my site. And in here, if you change on this page on my site, you can choose a page right here and then change the privacy policy to this right here. Now, once you have done that, you can also click on this I understood in the above. This the requirements for that. So from in there, you can just click on save and publish right here. And then in here, cookie banner has been published on your site. And once visitor has opened your site, they will be able to accept or reject cookies depending on their choice. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add a cookie banner to your Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.